In this video, let's learn how to use Logistics Calculator in our Nowatize 2.0. To create a quote, select mode of transport. You can select sea, air, land and courier services. Let's select sea first. Once you select the mode of transport, select the seller port. Once seller port is completed, enter buyer port and select the shipping type. You can select FCL, full container load, LCL, less than container load and bulk. Once you select shipping type, now select container type. You can select 20 feet container, 40 feet container, refrigerated, open top, so on. And select the number of containers. Now calculate the cost. Once you calculate the cost, you'll see quotation for your sea cargo. Now let's change the mode of transport. You can select the air transport, enter the seller port, enter the buyer port, select the quantity and click on cost calculate. Once you click on cost calculate, you will see the cost for air transport for exporting your goods. Now let's change it to land and enter the seller city. Let's enter Los Angeles. Next, buyer city. Next, select the shipping type FCL or LCL and bulk. Select the container type and enter the number of containers and click on cost calculate. Now this is the charges for land transport. Now let's see the courier services. Enter the seller city, next buyer city and the weight of the package and click on calculate cost. Now you can see the price for courier services.